Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. Today in this video I'll be cooking that popularly well-known Igbo soup, which is Oha soup, aka Ora soup. In my language we call it Oha soup. So guys, I'm going to take you along and show you how you can cook this soup. Yeah, let's go guys. So guys, here is my Oha leaf. My original Oha leaf, fresh one. And here is my crayfish, because this crayfish is what is going to bring out the main taste of this Oha soup. And here is my uziza leaf, the fresh one. Uziza leaf for this soup. I'll be using stockfish. I've already parboiled it to soften it a bit. So I'll be using this stockfish for this soup. Here is my beef. I'll be using this beef for the soup. And here is my dried fish. It's called a mangala fish. I'll be using this scotch bonnet pepper, and I'll be using this amount of red oil, original red oil, very tasty guys. And here is my stock cubes. I'm using a maggi crayfish. This is maggi crayfish I'm going to use for this soup. And here is my ofo for thickening the soup. And here is my blended uziza seed for the Oha soup. I'm going to be using this amount of salt, and here is my okpei, the one that will bring out that scent. So guys, I hope you watch me while I take you through the process of cooking this Oha soup, original Igbo soup. Actually, this is my best soup. I don't play with this soup. I can eat it for one week, any day, anytime, guys. So let's go without wasting much of your time. So guys, I start first by adding in my meat, my beef. Then because this thing is a little bit still strong, I'm going to pour in the previous water. because of the oil I added, the red oil. Add in the ofo I've already blended. Then I'll stir. This ofo will help to thicken the soup. So guys, this ofo is optional. It's either you use ofo or you use achi or any other thickener, but I prefer to use ofo in cooking my oha soup. If there is no ofo, I can also use achi, guys. So guys, I'm going to cover it and leave it to thicken a bit, like 10 more minutes before adding the vegetables. Our soup is boiling, guys. Wow, now it has thickened enough. It's not going to be too thick, but as you all can see, it has thickened the way it's supposed to be. So now I'll be adding the uziza leaf, which I've already cut earlier.